to disrupt.
Okay, so we are here now. Do you think if you just have it? I think maybe if you just have it on the church, but if they see me, they're gonna know.
They're gonna know what, John? Sorry, Don. What are they gonna know, Don? Why are you smiling, Don? Did you do this at any time? At any time when you were working for CNN? You know why, Don, you didn't do this when you were working for CNN? Because you would have to be accountable. Because you put the company and the organization at risk of being sued. Okay? All right, Don. Why are you throwing out everything you've learned as a journalist? I'm really upset about this.
No?
This depends.
What?
Don't name the location.
I'm not naming the location, but I mean, I'm just wondering if you see me.
I mean,
the folks inside see me.
Are the congregants really on live instead of in service right now?
No, but they'll be like, "Why is Don Lemon here?"
Honestly,
Yeah.
This is yesterday, and I discussed it where I thought this was him projecting the mindset of, I'm involved with this. If they see me, the gig is going to be up. That there were a million, a bunch of reasons that people could see Don Lemon at a church and not think anything other than Don Lemon as a journalist was covering the services. I mean, honestly, if I saw him, the first thing in my mind.
Okay. Shout out to Nat The Lawyer. I love his content. I love his analysis. Because we are attorneys, we look at things from both sides of the arguments. I know there's street justice, but then there's courtroom justice. And we take an oath. We take an oath to uphold the Constitution. Okay? And everyone's constitutional right. This is a fascinating case. I'm looking forward to this being argued out. I can't wait to read the briefs on this matter because this is a clash of constitutional right there embedded in the First Amendment, and that is the freedom of religion. The freedom of religion, the freedom of assembling, and the freedom of press. That's three constitutional rights that has to be addressed. And there has to be a check and there has to be a balance. You can't, Don Lemon, the Bible even says, to whom much is given, much is required. Okay? They will always hold people like me, credentialed people, experienced people, or even mature people. They will hold us to a higher standard because they assume that we know better. And ignorance is never a defense in a criminal matter. I'm done.